So, First Street, First Avenue ni siya. Mura siya BGC, Avenue og Street. Tapos, of course, after sa First, Second Street, no, going right. So, diri ang Ropa 1, 3rd Street. So, go right, 4th Street. 5th Street. 6th Street. And 7th Street. This is the one. What do you call this? The amenity area. No. Ang pool. Ano siya? Then 2nd Avenue going right. So I'm giving you a tour of the subdivision here at Royal Palms Tres. Tres, right? So if you go right, it's 34th Street. Then 35th Street going right. We go left. So magkalayo ang number, ay magkataas ang number, magkalayo ka sa gate. So basically, nag-share og entrance gate ang Royal Palms Tres ug ang Royal Ocean Crest Panglao Condo 1, no? Pero ang ilang yuta adjacent kay Loyorana tong Ropa to, di ba? Tong sa Dao side. Di gyud sila tapad. Okay. So kanang towers nga makita nato ron, those are the condo towers for Royal Ocean Crest Panglao. The first installment, season 1. Then we have the second installment, ongoing construction right now. Tower A ang unang i-deliver probably in the year 2026. And it's in Dao is Panglao Island, Bohol. So this one, the first Royal Ocean Crest Panglao, the first installment is located here in San Isidro, Barangay San Isidro, Dawis Town, in Panglao Island, Bohol. Pantropiko kayo ang area. O, kita na to ang dagat dire. Ay. So, mo ni siya karon ang status. So, that's Tower A. Nanay namuyo diha, nana. And that's Tower C. And then in our back is Tower B. Okay. So, kuan wood kayo siya, no? Brown kayo siya, more chocolate. Ani kakita gid kayong dagat. Kita naman sa dagat dito, pikas.